It's Egusi Soup Day. Hello everyone, welcome back to Anais Chronicle channel. Today I'll be sharing a mouth-watering recipe for one of the most beloved West African dishes, Egusi Soup. This is perfect with pounded yam, fufu or rice. So let's get into it, and here is what you will need. You'll be needing your red oil, egusi, ugu, uziza, blended crayfish, pepper and onions for this soup. I'm showing the egusi again because I added my osu to this egusi. Next, I added water to form the egusi paste that I'll be frying. I'm already parboiling my meat prior to this video. Next is to preheat your oil on the fire for about 2 minutes. Then you go in with your egusi paste. You will stir this for about 5 minutes. You will notice it's thickening and releasing very nice aroma. That is exactly what we want. When you get to this stage, please do not panic. You keep on stirring. You keep on stirring. You stir so that the egusi will get this fluffy lump. So I added extra water that I rinsed off from the basin I used in mixing the egusi. You can notice the lumps from this egusi now. I'm still stirring. I'll stir for about 5 minutes. I'll be adding meat stock while stirring. That is if the oil dries up, because I don't like using too much oil. For people that like oil in their egusi very well, when the egusi is ready, the oil will float on top. I don't like it because egusi already contains some oil for me, so I fry with a little oil. Yes, it will be burning, but please do not panic about it. It will still come off the pot when you add other ingredients. So you keep frying. For you to get this type of consistency, you have to be patient. If you want this frying method of making egusi soup, you have to be very patient with yourself and with the soup. So I added meat stock, stirred. If you watch it closely, you see that our fluffy lumps are already forming. The next, I went in with the stock cube because I tested the egusi and I can no longer feel the sour taste. I went in with another cube. When I tested it again, I stirred. The cube and the stock cube and the meat stock will be adding kind of a salty taste to the egusi to make it very tasty, and it will bring out the taste of your egusi soup. So after this, I kept on stirred for a while. Then when I felt it was ready, I went in with my crayfish, onion and pepper. All were blended together. I poured in the blended crayfish, onions and pepper and stirred for a while. Then the next, I went in with my meat and obviously turned to add the egusi taste to the meat. Then next, I went in with my meat stock, that flavorful meat stock I saved earlier. So I added it alongside my meats, and at this point, if you have stockfish or prawn, you can add it here. Then I covered for a while, allowed to steam, then opened again, stirred. I went in with my uziza. This uziza, the flavor, the scent is out of this paste. You needed to perceive how my kitchen was oozing. Like, this is one of my secret recipe, like my secret ingredients rather, for egusi soup. So I stirred again. Because the uziza leaf is strong, I steamed it for 3 minutes before adding my ugu leaf. I usually don't like boiling my ugu leaf or steaming my ugu leaf for a very long time, so I covered the pot, allowed it to steam for just a minute. I opened it again, stirred again. Voila, our egusi soup is ready. So now you can Serve it hot with your favorite swallow, either fufu, pounded yam, or eba. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Drop a comment below if you'll be trying this egusi soup. See you next time.